So, going to be doing some pre-market analysis today, kind of daily bias for NQ. So, interesting price action. London session completely dumped and had a pretty good sell or pretty good retrace back up. So, I already have some pretty key levels marked out here. So, if we go on the hourly time frame, we see a marked out London session low and then kind of mid Asia session, internal range of Asia session slash kind of London session high. So this is definitely a strong draw of liquidity. This one down here is as well. So we're going to be interested to see what price wants to do. Going over news this morning, we don't really have any today. In 1 second. Yeah, we don't really have. Oh wait, this is way ahead. Sorry, about to say we don't have a big holiday today. Yeah, so we have Fed funds budget balance, whatever that is today. So not a lot, no high impact news this morning. In regards to New York session open, so clear in the news aspect, we do have a little bit of bearish imbalance. It's been filled in mostly from London sessions, so we filled over 50% of it. It's not like we haven't even tapped into it yet. We did get a break structure to the upside on the hourly, so we had this high here. We got a complete candle closure above. 4 hour is still bullish. So both looking bullish, so possibly looking for longs. I would like to see price dip back down into here, sweep out these lows and continue up. We have been in a pretty big downtrend lately these past few days. So if you go on the daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, we've been bearish. So we have these daily lows, which definitely could get swept right here. This is a pretty strong draw of liquidity. But yeah, we swept out these two very nicely on Friday, which I kind of figured that would happen. So with these, in regards to these being kind of right next to each other. So we had this low get swept. And we are literally right next to this daily low right here. So we'll see how close. I mean, if price takes out that low, I'm sure it's going to take out this low too. So that's going to be a pretty strong draw of liquidity. This one over here, and then these more recent ones right here. So we do have a bullish order block right here. So I would like to see a reaction within it. Obviously, we had the last move down prior to the move up, so that was kind of all of the last of London session. So would definitely look for a nice sell-off down into within here, get a market structure shift to the upside, and then take a long from there, probably targeting up here these highs, whatnot. So gonna be interesting to see. First day without a whole lot of news in a while. A lot of these past few days, there's been a lot of news, and it's been a little frustrating trying to trade because my trading plan, if there's news in the morning, if there's high impact news past 9:30, I do not trade. So we had two good price action days last week. We had Tuesday, which was great. We had a liquidity sweep to the upside. I can literally recall exactly what happened last Tuesday. Friday was fairly good too. You could have caught a long, you could have caught a short. There was confluences going kind of either way. I think the stronger confluence that followed my plan definitely was the long. Could have taken a long there. We had liquidity sweep to the downside. We were within a bullish order block. We had a market structure shift to the upside. I just didn't execute. I didn't like the way price action was kind of presenting itself on the smaller time frame, but I would have hit take profit if I hit it. So there were two trades I could have taken yesterday. Last week would have won both of them, but it doesn't matter if I would have. I needed to take those. So I'm gonna be looking to be trading this week. I know one day I will not. It's CPI. I think that is Wednesday. Yeah, CPI Wednesday. So we'll not be trading on Wednesday, but the rest of these days don't look too bad. Today and Friday definitely are the clearer days, if you would. So that's basically it for pre-market analysis. Again, we have some highs here, internal draw of liquidity on the Asia session, and then I'm more or less eyeing down this London session low because of this daily draw of liquidity also right below this daily low. So going to be interested, going to come out with a trade recap if I do, or if I don't take a trade today. Either way, I'll have a trade recap up. So that's pretty much it for today.